Are you thinking about deleting your YouTube channel? Before you make any mistakes, watch this video until the end. I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete your channel on a laptop, Android phone, and iPhone quickly and clearly in just a few minutes. Let's start with how to delete a YouTube channel on a laptop, PC, or Mac. This is the easiest method. Open your browser and go to youtube.com. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner. Now click on Switch Account to choose the correct YouTube channel if you have more than one. To delete your YouTube channel, you'll need to access your Google account, so click on Google Account. Now you're on your Google account. Simply click on Data and Privacy on the left side. Now scroll down and click on Delete a Google service. Now, to continue deleting your YouTube channel, you'll need to verify your identity. Google may ask for your password, a two-step verification code, or a Google prompt approval. This page shows all the Google services linked to your Google account. Click the delete icon next to YouTube to continue deleting your YouTube channel. Now click on I want to permanently delete my content. Now you're on the Remove YouTube Content page. This step will permanently delete all YouTube data linked to your account. Carefully read the details, check all the confirmation boxes, and then click on Delete My Content to continue. Now you'll see the final confirmation window. This will permanently delete all your YouTube content, and it can't be restored. To confirm, type your email address in the box, then click Delete My Content to finish deleting your YouTube channel. And that's how you delete your YouTube channel on a laptop, PC, or Mac. Your content is now being permanently removed. Next, I'll show you how to delete a YouTube channel using an Android phone or iPhone. Open the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Tap on Switch Account if you want to change the channel. To delete your YouTube channel, you'll need to access your Google account. So, tap on Google Account. You're now in your Google account. Just tap on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Delete a Google service. Next, tap the delete icon beside YouTube to proceed with deleting your channel. Now tap on I want to permanently delete my content. You're now on the Remove YouTube Content page. This action will permanently erase all YouTube data linked to your account. Read the information carefully, check all the confirmation boxes, and then tap Delete My Content to move forward. You'll now see the final confirmation screen. This action will permanently remove all your YouTube content and cannot be undone. To confirm, enter your email address in the box, then tap Delete My Content to complete the deletion of your YouTube channel. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your YouTube channel using an Android phone or iPhone. Your content is now permanently being removed. Quick warning before you go. Once you delete your channel, all your videos, subscribers, comments, and playlists are gone forever. There is no undo button, so be 100% sure. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.